We got some nice cute baby hairs that's not going nowhere. They are stuck down.
Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we did this cute, simple little two-low pigtail with the deep wave hair, looking very cute, tropical. We got some nice cute baby hairs that's not going nowhere. They are stuck down. They are down. And we also did a nice little, I want to say glueless install, but the gag is we didn't use glue, we used spray, but it's holding like glue. Y'all gonna get more information during the video. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I did not know. I feel like I go into most of my videos and I don't know what I want to do with my hair. I'm just styling it. But this time around, I want y'all to start sending me different hair inspos. Like sometimes I come up with my own thing and sometimes I get inspired. And I just feel like same old wigs, same old styles, like, you know, braids, half up, half down, side part, center part. Y'all know, and it gets very boring. I really want to try some new things. So make sure y'all send me some inspos and I'm gonna take that into accountability, see what I can do, if I want to remix that same look or if I want to throw my own taste on it or try my own thing, you know, whatever the case may be. Send me some looks, y'all, because I be so tired of doing the same looks. I really do. You gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. If y'all see any type of light adjustments, just know that it is sunlight outside, but I closed the shades. I'm trying to balance everything out with all these lights I got in here. So if it look a little funny, please forgive me. But we got this wig from Recool Hair, and this is a deep wave, I believe 26-inch deep wave wig, and it has a full partner space inside. As y'all can see, 13x4 HD frontal wig, and yeah, we just gonna find something cute. I kind of got an idea of something I wanted to do, but I don't know how it'll come out. We just gonna see what we come up with, y'all. We just gonna see. So let's get to installing. Okay, so how we feeling? How are we feeling? I did not expect to really, I always say this, I didn't really expect to like this. And I was gonna flat twist, as y'all see. I was trying to flat twist, but I was just like, you know what? I'm not about to be going back and forth with this hairstyle. So I decided to just do some quick little low ponytails. I really didn't want it to stick up much because I don't know. I just don't like the two ponytails. Like, it looks cute sometimes, but I didn't want to do it for this look. Like, I want it to be very calm and still very, you know, you could do a lot with it. This is how the baby hairs are looking, which was also giving me problems. I'm like, why are they so stiff? They was a little stiff today, but you know me, I'm gonna make it work regardless. So let me know what y'all thinking about this look. Like, I don't know. It's like when I freestyle, it comes out so good, and then when I'm inspired, it either comes out really good or just like mid, like very regular. So I don't know. But let me know what y'all think about this look, y'all. This lace is melted. Once again, I'm not gonna tell y'all enough. Even if I have to do a proper tutorial on this spray, get y'all some even spray. No, it's not sponsored, but I gotta hook y'all up with that good stuff. I gotta put y'all on. So let me know what y'all think about this look. Like if you like this video, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from Mwah. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.